Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, Link has now started to move towards this resistance area. I communicated, I think, in the last video. I think I didn't make a video yesterday. So in the last video, I'm pretty sure the price had not yet started the bounce that we were watching for. I don't need to adjust resistance. I mean, maybe just a little bit, just a tiny bit lower, but it doesn't make a great difference. So 1241 is sort of the 78.6 retracement of the decline, and it is the signal level that needs to be broken first to indicate that a more directly bullish scenario is unfolding, for example in the white count. Yeah, so what we're watching for is the yellow scenario primarily at the moment. Again, I'm happy to follow the white count, but it takes a break above the signal level. And even the white scenario, until we get that 5-wave move up at 1950 plus, there isn't really anything that I can trust there, because whenever we're dealing with these diagonal patterns, and the white count would be a diagonal, I mean at best, okay, at best, and can't be an impulse, absolutely not possible, not valid. So, and diagonals cannot be trusted. For example, even this C wave might be a diagonal pattern itself. So we might be dealing really with extremely choppy structures. Now again, that is only a problem if you're really looking for absolute precision in the microstructures and super high confidence setups, then Link might not be for you at the moment, yeah? However, if you're looking for a casual approach, like maybe with a grid board or scaling into support, scaling out when we move into resistance, I mean, that is for you, that's typically how this can be used. When we're dealing with corrective structures, with messy structures, a casual scaling in, scaling out approach can be adopted. In our membership, we've got a few tutorials about how to do that, how to deal with corrections and corrective patterns without getting frustrated. Okay, I think it's always a bit of a mindset thing, or you might just need a different edge. You might want to use some additional indicators when trading a messy structure like that, but typically zooming out and trading the time frame that is not messy works best, okay, which is this one, where we have actually a 5-wave move up into the March high and a corrective pullback with a very clear support area. And again, one way of doing it is, for example, to use that support zone to scale in, and then when the price moves away from it, then taking profits in batches. Okay, so that is quite well, it's not stressful, it's buying and selling, that's typically how it can work out. And then you can capitalize on all of these messy movements, okay, which will change direction a few more times, I can promise you that. And that's what Elliott wave tells me, that it's likely going to change direction, because we're dealing with overlapping structures, only 3-wave move to the upside. This here, again, an ABC structure to the upside. So yeah, just very important to understand. And this is the resistance area. So until we get a break above that signal level, the white count is not preferred. A break above the signal level, yes, will shift probabilities towards the white count, but I will not rule out the yellow count. There could just still be an extended corrective wave. That's why I say we always need to see the 5 waves up. And if the market can really generate that 5-wave move up, and it, there's no sign it's doing that. It's painful at the moment to watch. We're only halfway there. The 3rd wave needs to get to 1750 and the 5th wave to 1950. And it could very well be that the market is going to be in this state of indecision until the US elections are done. Okay, so yeah, that's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.